Welcome back, football fans, to another update on OddAlerts. This is a brand new tool. It is the probability page. It is in beta/beta, depending on where you're from in the world. And I will show you right now how it works, how you can find value bets, how you can basically filter out so many games, thousands of games, in a matter of seconds using the powerful probability model on OddAlerts. That was not my first take in saying that. A tongue twister, for sure. So it opens with home wins, and we can see we've got negative value here as well. I think that's important to keep in. I will introduce filters for odds, filters for value soon, and I'll show you the current filters in a moment. You can sort, and the screen recording software is not capturing the drop down. I think for security reasons, maybe I can turn that off in the future. It is a bit annoying, but trust me, you can sort by probability, time, and odds, and we will check out each of those options in this video. So we've got home win, draw, away win. I think a better way to show you is the settings page, because this will show the drop down. We've got home win, draw, away win, over and under for all of those goal markets, and then BTTS. So let's show you how you can filter this page. Let's look at over 1.5 goals. The default is 60%. Let's bump that up to 70% and refresh the feed. And it will now default to over 1.5 goals. And we're still sorting by probability. So negative value. But what if we sort by the odds? And we then get some value here. Wales versus Finland, 10% value. 4% value in Israel. The CONCACAF, just under 10%. 11% here in the Euros. Obviously, be wary of friendlies and internationals and whatnot. Always check out the sort of Jeopardy and stuff, and obviously friendlies. Some people, even in the value betting community of OddAlerts, some people skip them, some people love them and, you know, profit from them. But at the time of recording, it is an international break. There is some domestic football being played in certain parts of Europe, in the lower leagues especially. So that's over 1.5 goals. You can just do the same for home wins. If you wanted to show 66% or more, we refresh the feed. And again, we're sorting by odds. It remembers your settings. What if we want to sort by time? And then we're just going to see the top home teams playing, and it's just going to be the next one that is playing from those settings that we just set. So Thursday, 11 o'clock, as I record this at about 7 a.m. UK time, Thailand away at South Korea, and yeah, you would expect them to win. The implied odds 1.4, the actual odds 1.14. The Argentinian reserve leagues today as well, 33% value there in terms of a home win. OddAlerts has this one at 1.29. The actual odds on Bet365 at this moment in time 1.95. So there you go. Yeah, the negative value, it's worth leaving it, because it's, for me, it's kind of like a reminder of what the whole game is about. So that's been this probability model page, and this UI that you see is the new OddAlerts app that will launch soon. And if you are a season ticket holder or a API user, you can use this right now. oddAlerts.com/app/AI-football-predictions. Maybe the URL will change in the future. I think when you go to /app in the future, it'll just boot you into the app, because at the moment we've only got one page. And when you view this on your phone, you'll be prompted to download it onto your device. And that is how we will handle alerts in the future. So it's a big task, but this is just step one, this probability page. And I'm going to test a few things out here. The next step is automation, so allowing you to save those filters first and foremost, and then have something happen when a new game falls into the filter, something like that. Having sort of digest alerts as well. And also, when you click on a game, nothing happens right now, but I want the first thing to be an odds comparison. For the context of this page, click it, odds comparison, see the latest odds from all bookmakers that we've got access to at the moment. More could come soon, of course. More probability outcomes are coming. Corner markets are coming, and half-time outcomes as well. So half-time winner especially, which is one that I want to launch soon. So they will launch, and anything that's on the probability model, that means you can use for value betting as well. So with that sort of context, maybe instant bet tracking is interesting to add to this page. And yeah, the next step is, as I say, automation, customization, and an odds comparison, a quick and easy odds comparison. No affiliate links. This is OddAlerts. This isn't any other football stats website. There's no adverts. There's no affiliate links. You are not the product. I'm just trying to make tools that bring football and data together and just make them accessible, right? That's the whole aim. So if you are a season ticket holder or an API user, you can test this now. That's part of the package of those things. You get to test things before they're released, and this is no way near finished, but the feedback so far has been great. Just on those two offers as well, the Pro plan and the API plan is what is available right now. But what I'm going to do soon is just change the name of the API plan. At the minute, it's just Pro with API, and you pay more because you're getting access to the raw data. But in the future, it will be Pro, which is going to be more of you can do everything on the front end, and everything that's on there now for Pro will still be there. Nothing's been taken away. But there's a lot of things coming that are going to add a lot of value to, let's say, power users. Automation on filters, automation on alerts, version 2 of the Pinnacle dropping odds as well, which will take that to the next level. So long story short, I'm still obviously thinking about it, but I think it will be Pro and Advanced. So Pro plan and Advanced, which includes the API, of course. It includes accessing all the raw data, but it also includes some other things that, maybe some people that just use quick filters or just use trends might not need or want, but it's there and it can be used as part of the Advanced plan. And I think for me, it just feels a bit more natural, because there are many different types of people that use OddAlerts for many different types of reasons. There's some people that just use value betting. There's some people that just use the Pinnacle dropping odds. There's some people that just use it for player props. There's some people that just use it for the foul alerts. And then there's some people that use a bit of mix, right? There's so many different bits, and the quick filters and the back testing. So that was the new probability model page, a new way to explore. Let me know what you think in the comments. What would you like to see on here? Because as I say, this is a work in progress. I just finished working on this. I just finished changing the colors. I'll show you right now what it looked like yesterday, just so you can see how quickly it's moving, and then the day before as well. It's a work in progress. I usually design on the laptop, and then I'll just get it up on my phone and just see how it's working on my phone. My phone is absolutely filthy. All right, so we'll wrap up there. Thank you for watching, and as always, get your feedback in as a comment, and I will see you in the next one.